Hello everyone, thanks for following our journey. I'm here with Tim and Chef Rocky. We're on the beautiful island of Hue, the northernmost island in the Vanuatu group. Next stop is the Solomon Islands, supporting the Vanuatu Electoral Office with the first ever national referendum in Vanuatu. And there's the voting, the electoral team, taking their last pictures before we carry the first ballot box back to Vila. We have electoral officers as well as police officers, the village community security officer, and Hue principal, who are presiding officers in this national referendum. As always, the whole community has just finished voting. Hi! And the whole community has come to see HELPR-1 and Explorer take the ballot box back to Port Vila. It's going to be another 4-day journey for us, but we're glad to be able to support the Vanuatu Electoral Office.